Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friends, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish ideas. Latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle. For girls, for women. Some ideas for mature women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle and so attractive ideas of too short and too small hair in curls. Curly hairstyle. Very attractive ideas of messy hairstyle. And very beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle. Mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyle, spiky hairstyle with undercut. Undercut and shaved art. Trendy ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut. Shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. And different type of cut, some ideas layered, some idea of step. And so beautiful, eye-catching ideas of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas, funky colors. So beautiful collection of highlights. Highlights in funky colors, burgundy colors, ash color, with different ideas of base color, light base color, dark base color. And many much more stylish and latest collection. Trendy ideas, I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. You look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. Once again, I request you, if you are not subscribed my channel, so please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So friends, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection. New new ideas. Take care and bye bye.